Hey Vitality Squad! Are you struggling with midday slumps or brain fog? What if I told you that the secret to sustained energy and laser-sharp focus lies in your kitchen? Today, we're diving into 7 science-backed superfoods that'll supercharge your body and mind. Let's get started. 1. Blueberries. The brain's best friend, these tiny powerhouses are packed with antioxidants called flavonoids. Studies show they improve memory, focus, and even delay brain aging. Add them to your morning smoothie or oatmeal. 2. Dark chocolate 70+ cocoa. The focus enhancer. Good news, chocolate lovers. Dark chocolate boosts blood flow to the brain thanks to its flavonols. Just 1 square can sharpen your focus, perfect for work or study sessions. 3. Walnuts. The omega-3 powerhouse walnuts look like mini brains for a reason. They're rich in omega-3s, which fight inflammation and boost cognitive function. Sprinkle them on salads or yogurt. 4. Spinach. The energy dynamo Popeye was onto something. Spinach is loaded with iron and magnesium, key for oxygen transport and energy production. Try a spinach banana smoothie for a morning kick. 5. Chia Seeds. The sustained fuel. These tiny seeds are loaded with fiber, protein, and healthy fats. They release energy slowly, keeping you fueled for hours. Mix them into puddings or overnight oats. 6. Green tea. The calm alertness brew. Swap your coffee for green tea. Its L-theanine promotes calm focus, while caffeine gives a gentle energy boost. No jitters included. 7. Avocado. The healthy fat here. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which support brain health and stabilize blood sugar. Spread it on toast or add it to salads. Ready to upgrade your energy and focus? Pick 2-3 of these superfoods and add them to your diet this week. Drop a comment below telling me which one you'll try first. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health hacks. Stay vibrant, Vitality Squad.